Hello everyone, welcome back in the next video of object oriented programming series, and the topic is create a method on an object. Objects can have a special type of property called a method. Methods are properties that are functions. This adds different behavior in an object. We can see here this is a property which contains a function, and therefore this is a method. A special type of property which contains function, and it can be accessed using a statement like this, that is the variable name and then the property name along with parenthesis. The example adds the same method, which is a function that returns a sentence giving the name of the duck. Notice that the method accessed the name property in return statement using duck.name. Here in the return statement, we can see duck.name is used to access the name property of the duck variable or this object. The next challenge will cover another way to do this. So let's see the task. Using the dog object, give it a method called sayLegs. The method should return the sentence, this dog has 4 legs. And we can do that by first declaring sayLegs. Here this property is declared. Now it will contain function which will contain a return statement which has the sentence, this dog has space plus dog dot num legs, and then afterward plus and then legs dot. Looks good. Let's run the test. Should return the given string. Okay, there should be a space after the plus. After using 4 here. Let's run the test, and successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.